What's up, bag bags? Welcome to a special unboxing. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle, Rockstar Rochelle in the social media world. I will be unboxing June's Park Lane Sparkle Box. Again, if you're new to this channel, welcome. We're all about empowering yourself, making you feel good. And jewelry is one of the things that makes you feel good. At least it makes me feel good. So if you're curious what June's Sparkle Box is, this is the video for you. Here it is. It is super cute. Sparkle boxes, I've been subscribed for a couple months. This is the first time it's popping up in red, so I'm super excited about this. I am sort of new to Park Lane in terms of the jewelry. I've always been a jewelry fanatic, okay? But I'm relatively a new Park Lane stylist. So this is a journey for us all to share. So let's go ahead and do unboxes. If you want more information about the Sparkle box, I'm gonna go link the video up above for you guys to check it out. Basically, there's two kinds of boxes. The first box is $24 a month, and you'll get one item. The second one is a premier box, which you get two items, which I'm subscribed to. Oh my gosh, what is it? I see something turquoise, okay? You can also gift these Sparkle boxes. Send them 3, 6, and 12 months. I love gifting subscription boxes because it's that gift that keeps on giving. I'm feeling naked and bare without any jewelry, so I'm super excited to check these out. Okay, I am loving it. Okay. One thing I enjoy about Sparkle boxes is that you can only get them, they're exclusive for the Sparkle box. And not only that, but they send me items, or they'll send you items that you normally wouldn't shop for yourself. So if you're a jewelry fanatic and you love to accessorize to make your outfit pop, because that's the thing with jewelry, Sparkle box is the way to go. Now, of course, you can always shop the other jewelry. In a minute here, I'm going to go ahead and tell you details on how you can get on my giveaway for this month. But for the Sparkle box, let's just get to it. You get a pair of earrings, and it looks like a pair of bracelets. Now, when it comes to the standard, I'm not too sure, you'll get one of them. And then with the premier, you get both items, all right? It builds on each other, and it's always a set. So up close, it's like marble / stone turquoise. I'm loving that. Again, the pop of color. And then you have it's silver, all right? Silver hoops with the turquoise embedded in them, and the metal on here, it's textured, okay? So it's not flat, so it looks kind of so it's like a 3D effect. Again, super loving. I'm a big time hoops fan. These on just so you guys can see while I give you the details on how you can get in my June giveaway. All right, bag babes, here it is for a chance to win a free piece of jewelry. I want you to go head to the my jewelry shop link down below, okay? I'll put it in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comment section. I just want you to go ahead and shop. Add things to the cart, and I want you to screenshot your cart and send it to me via Facebook or Instagram. Again, I'm going to put all the links down below, okay? That's the only way for you guys to go ahead and send it to me, or if you know me, you can always email it to me too, all right? For all of June, send me your screenshot. I will get you in on this giveaway for one piece. See, I got several pieces there of Park Lane jewelry, all right? So this is how the official look looks like. Okay, again, pop of color. Look at that, it just popped up my outfit. So you are getting this set for the month of June. With the Sparkle boxes, they ship or they process the first of every month. With the jewelry, it's super fast shipping. That's one thing I love about this this company. So go ahead, click the link, start shopping, fill that cart. Just send me some screenshots, or you can even send me a list of items, and then Facebook or Instagram message, text, or email if you have all that information. Again, I'll put all my contacts down below. The 30th of this month, I'll give away a free piece of jewelry just for you sending me your screenshot. All right, so again, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big like if you want to see more jewelry pieces, because I like to share things. And check out this jewelry playlist just for you. Take care, y'all, and have a beautiful, blessed day. Ta-ta!